YouTube, what's happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy L baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green. And you know we go back like 2 flats on a Cadillac, baby. What's going on with y'all, man? Hey, the Grape 5's come out this morning. I just took another L on the sneakers app. I have not hit on the sneakers app since I got my new phone. My old phone, bro, I was pretty much undefeated. But since I got this new iPhone, like, bro, I haven't hit on anything. But I ain't here to bore y'all. Y'all know that. I always say that. I ain't gonna bore y'all. We about to go to the mall and pick these things up. I know Foot Action was adding the cart. So I don't know if you still press for luck, try Foot Action. I know one of my homeboys just hit me up and said he hit on Foot Action. So, but let's go ahead and pick these things up. Let's pick them up because I love the quality on these things. And I'm ready to give y'all the review. Let's button the road up. All right, so here to pick up these 5's. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know the vibes. Man, I'm just ready to have this sneaker. This sneaker wasn't even on my radar until we got them in the other day. And I just saw the quality on them things, man. That quality is stupid. But let's go ahead and pick these things up, y'all. Do some work, Jen. What's going on? No in the back? It's just y'all two?
Yeah, bro. Everybody called out.
No.
Bro, Kim called out, you called out.
I mean, I'll put...
No, you good, bro. It's not a big deal. Now it's not.
Shit, you getting all the money. Bro, y'all gonna hold it down like that?
Your shit in the back by the office. Literally. Say less. I wanna go with you.
What's going on?
Literally. Work today?
I'm supposed to, but y'all out for like an hour. These joints right here is clean. Oh my Lord. How y'all feel about these? They already a little ashy. But I can't let them get any more ashier than this. Oh yeah, that's clean right there. That's what that black card do, baby. Came up, in the words of IVA, got my issue, and you know what time it is. Time to go back to the crib and get y'all this review. Let's go. All right, guys, so we back. Just showed y'all the bag. Got ball that up. Get that on. All right, so we got our standard Air Jordan 5 box. Let y'all see that thing, size 12. Let it focus. Box. Y'all probably gonna skip that part. Now, I showed y'all these joints. Bruh, these joints are freaking cold, boy. Like, oh man. Bruh, look at these things, man. These joints are beautiful. They're prettiful, man. These joints are prettiful. Now, if you got these, please do not wear any Charlotte Hornets jerseys with that. I don't want to see anything Charlotte Hornets, man. I already know how y'all hood boogers gonna do. Don't do that, man. Come on, man. You can find other stuff to match up with these. And y'all know how I do anyway. Like, anything new I get, I'll wait till next year or a year or two to wear them anyway. But dog, let's go ahead and check these things out. Ooh, Lord. Look at that stroke. Boy, hit that thing, I be stroking. That's what I've been doing. Hey, now, when I saw this sneaker, bro, I instantly thought of the Raging Bull 5. Like the material, the suede material on this thing gave me instant Raging Bull 5. Like, that's one I need in my collection. That is a grail of mine. I know a lot of people have been saying this leather is kind of stiff. It ain't really stiff to me. It's soft, and bro, I real life get that Raging Bull 5 vibe from this. And initially I wasn't gonna get these. I know y'all know Foot Locker, like all Foot Locker companies pushed the date back. These are supposed to come out on the 7th, I believe, but they came out today on the 8th. And we got our shipment late. Like, I'm pretty sure that's why everything got pushed back, because the shipment came late as I don't know what. But this was not on my radar originally. And shout out to my boy Hop Dog, because I was gonna look out for Hop Dog. I've been trying to, I actually hit on my other phone. Shout out to that special somebody. But we hit on that phone for a size 11 for Hop Dog. So if anybody looking for a size 11, I may have a size 11 for sale. I know I promised that to somebody earlier, but I don't know. That's the other person who wants to sell that one, so I can't do nothing about that one. But I didn't hit on any of the apps. I didn't hit on Sneakers app. I didn't hit on Hibbits. I didn't hit on Finish Line. But who hits on Finish Line anyway? Like, Finish Line, they be hoeing people, man. They gotta stop that. And since I got my new phone, I got my new iPhone, I haven't hit on anything on Sneakers app except for the LeBrons, which I'll show y'all on my Instagram because I'm gonna sell those. But luckily, we ended up getting these in the store. Like I said, I checked in the back as soon as the shipment came out, and as soon as I saw it, bruh, I text Top Dog and I'm like, bruh, these it right here. Like, I gotta get these, and I wasn't gonna get them. Speaking of the grapes, I'm gonna do a little quick comparison to my white Grape 5's that came out in like 2013. I wanna say it was 2013 if I can find it. Yep. Got these things. So we already know the name, the alternate Grape 5. I don't have the black one. I didn't like the black one when it came out, but the suede on the black one, I didn't like the suede on the black one. That's why I decided to pass on those, and you know, the white one is a more cleaner look to me. And y'all know why I got the white ones, because of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Y'all know that's one of my top 5 TV shows. And I just had to get these, man, because Will was that dude back in the day. But going into details with this sneaker, like I said, we're going to start with the So Icy Soul. Now, the So Icy Soul has a purple Jumpman inside. It looks black, but when you shine the light on it, it's definitely purple. All right, now heading into the midsole, we got a black midsole with our teal or emerald colored green or look. And it's also on the shark teeth or the fighter jet. Y'all know that's what the 5's will model after, the fighter jets. All right, and then we have our purple upper. The pictures I saw initially of this, it kind of looked like it was a Barney purple, but this more like that Houston lean purple right here. This that promethazine thing joint right here, you feel me? This that lean, this that drink. Shout out to all my boys in Houston, man. DJ Screw, rest in peace. Coffee with the Foe, I ain't forgot about you, my boy. But this is definitely codeine lean purple. That's what I'm gonna call these. I'm gonna call these the lean purple 5's, man. You feel me? Not the pink. You know, you put your Jolly Rancher in your Sprite, y'all. I ain't gonna tell y'all how to do the recipe, man. I'm just gonna. All right, next up, we got a teal lace lock. Let y'all see that. With that teal Jumpman, and the tongue is 3M. I'm loving the 3M on the tongue. And 5's this year have, you know, we got some quality 5's, man. We got the Fire Red 5's, thanks to The Last Dance. I hit on those early, sold a couple pairs of those. And I don't know what the other 5 coming out this year. I can't even think of another 5 coming out. But like I said earlier, this was not on my radar at all. If it wasn't for Hop Dog 18, y'all make sure y'all check out Hop Dog 18 on Retro Forum Talk with my brother Black Ass African. AZZ, not ASS. For those of you who think I was cussing. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all check my bros out, man. Real dope OG talk with sneakers and culture and everything, man. Y'all gonna have a good time over there. But yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about these lean 5, these codeine 5. That's what I'm calling these things, man. But I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll and on foot. Y'all know I'm trying to get back on my own foot, but I ain't wearing these outside though. Put these on in the house, you feel me? And we gonna hop back in front of the camera. Man, I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. It is always love on my end, and y'all doing the damn thing, man. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Y'all doing a great job, man. I'm loving all the feedback I'm getting from y'all. Bro, we almost at 2K. Like, it's been nothing but genuine love. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking with your boy, man, because y'all ain't got to do that. That subscribe button free, that like button free, man, and y'all let me, you know, spend time with y'all, so I'm grateful, man. I'm always grateful. I'm always humble, you know. That's just Goat Weezy. That's the Weezy way, you feel me? But nah, man, we got the Grape 5's, the alternate Grape 5's. Y'all let me know, were y'all able to pick these up today, or did you hit on them yesterday from Finish Line, Hibbits, and all these other sites? Finish Line and Hibbits ain't been showing your boy love lately, but it is what it is, man. But anyway, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace, and put some chicken grease on that thing. Gone.